Today I am trying another meal prep recipe from my HelloFresh box, and honestly this one looks so good when I opened it. Warm butter shrimp roll with crispy potato wedges. What I love about HelloFresh is that everything comes pre-portioned. Super clean ingredients, no waste, and it just makes cooking at home feel so easy and stress-free. So let's get started with the recipe. First I am taking the potatoes and cutting them into about half-inch thick wedges. You don't want them too thin or they will burn, and not too thick so they cook evenly. Now I am placing them on a baking sheet. Drizzle some olive oil and season with a paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Give them a nice toss so everything is evenly coated, and this goes straight into the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes until they turn crispy and golden on the outside and soft inside. While the potatoes are baking, let's prep everything else. I am zesting a fresh lemon first. This is going to add such a bright fresh flavor at the end. Next, take your scallions and thinly slice them. Make sure to separate the white part from the green part because we'll use them differently. Now for the slaw. In a bowl, I am adding shredded red cabbage, the green part of the scallions, mayonnaise, sour cream, squeeze of a lemon juice, salt and pepper. Mix everything really well. This slaw is creamy, slightly tangy, and adds that perfect freshness to balance the buttery shrimp. Now let's move on to the shrimp. In another bowl, I am adding olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper. Mix it all together into a simple marinade. Then I am adding the shrimp. Make sure they are clean, pat dry, and coated them really well in that seasoning so that aside for a few minutes so the flavor soak in. Now for the bread, I am taking baguette slices and brushing them lightly with butter. Toss them until they are golden and slightly crispy. This only takes about 3 minutes. You want that perfect crunch on the outside but still soft inside. Now let's cook the shrimp. Heat a pan, add a little oil, start by sauteing the white part of the scallions. This gives a really nice aroma and a base flavor. Then add the shrimp to the pan, cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, flipping them until they turn pink and perfectly cooked. Be careful not overcook. Once they are done, turn off the heat, add a tablespoon of butter and a fresh lemon zest we prepared earlier. Now comes the best part, assembling the rolls. Take your toasted baguette, start filling it with a warm juicy shrimp. Add a generous amount because that's the star of the dish. Then top it off with the creamy cabbage slaw. Finish with a drizzle of hot sauce for a little kick. It looks so fresh, colorful, honestly restaurant level. By now the potato wedges should be perfectly crispy. Serve everything together with a lemon slices on the side for that extra squeeze of freshness. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more recipes.